Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, welcome back, and first of all let's create background layer. Right mouse, new and solid layer, add the name background, click OK. Go to effect presets, search effect fill. Select this fill, let's use for background, and go to click color cube. Select yellow color and click OK. Let's lock layer. Then go to shape layers, hold this icon. Let's select here ellipse tool and go to here, hold shift, make one ellipse. Click selection tool and go to stroke. Select none for close stroke color, click OK. And go to fill. Let's select white color, click OK. And select shape layer. Let's zoom to here. Select pan behind icon and hold this point. Hold shift, move it down. Click selection tool, and right now let's go to enable title action save. Select this shape layer and move to center, move to up. Okay, so select the shape layer. Let's press P, make new path in keyframe and go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in keyboard and move it down. Let's zoom to here. Okay, and go to 3 keyframe, 1, 2, 3. For shortcut you can use again page down, and let's move it up. Go to 3 keyframe again, 1, 2, 3. Select this keyframe, let's copy paste. And let's see. Okay, so select all keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assistant, easy ease, or click F9. Okay, so I want to make following animation. Select all keyframes again, go to click graph editor icon. Let's zoom to graph. And select this graph, let's move to right. And select this part, let's move to right. Let's see. Okay, we have a problem with last 3 keyframes. Select last 3 keyframes, right mouse, keyframe interpolation. Change current settings to linear. Click OK, let's see. Very nice. And in this time let's go to first second, select these passing keyframes, move to right and select shape layer, hold shift, press S, open scale, make scale keyframe change 0 and go to here, change scale 100. Select scale keyframes, make easy ease. Let's see. Nice. And select passing keyframes, move to right. Select last scale keyframe, move to here. Okay, looks good. So right now let's go to shape layers, hold this icon, let's create a rectangle tool and let's make one rectangle like this. Click selection tool and let's move to here this shape layer. Okay, let's move to down, move to right this shape layer. Okay, make new passing keyframe, go to 10 keyframe, let's move it up. Select keyframes and make easy ease. Let's see. Okay, go to solo. Okay, let's unsolo and let's select this layer, move to right. And in this time, let's select the shape layer. Let's make new passing keyframe and go to here. Let's move it up. Let's move it up more and go to again 10 keyframe. Let's move it down. Let's zoom to here and move it down. Okay, go to 3 keyframe, 1, 2, 3 and move it up a little bit. Go to 3 keyframe again, 1, 2, 3, move it down. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have problems with again keyframes. Let's fix it. Select these keyframes for ellipse tool and let's move to right here. Okay, let's move to here. Let's move to left. I want a good timing. Okay, so select keyframes, go to graph editor and select this graph. Let's move to right, and this graph let's move to left. Let's see. Okay, back to keyframes, and let's say again timing. Select these keyframes, move to left or move right. Nice, very good. So in this time again select the shape layer and let's go to here, make new path keyframe and go to some keyframes, move to down. Let's see. Okay, and select this ellipse tool, make new path keyframe and go to here. Let's select this keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V for paste. Okay, select these keyframes, go to graph editor and let's zoom to here. Let's select this graph and move to right. Okay, back to keyframes and go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3. Again move to up, go to 3 keyframe, 1 to 3, move to down. Okay, not bad. So let's do full animation. Okay, select these keyframes, go to graph editor again, let's move to graph and select this graph, let's move to right. Okay, let's see. Let's press P for select work area. Okay, not bad. And select these shape layer 2 position keyframes, go to graph editor and let's select this graph and let's see. Nice. And back to keyframes, select these last 3 position keyframes. Let's try move it down like this. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.